Hi, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this little sound demo video. It's to accompany the listing for this beautiful drum that I have on my Etsy shop. This is a 14-inch horse skin shamanic drum. It's on a beechwood frame. If I turn it over, you can see it's got a nice branch handle. It's laced with artificial sinew. There, I've also burnt some information on the inside of the frame. I put beech and horse, so you've always got that reference, as well as birthed on the 13th of February 2023 in Knighton Powys, UK, which is the astrological information. And I've also popped in there Driftwood Hollow Drums, which is my maker's mark. I'm going to play with a firm beater, but I'm going to swap over halfway and use, soft beater. Swap over and use a firm beater. Here we go. Gorgeous. And then the firmer beater. Okay, beautiful. Okay, well, I hope this has helped you to make a more informed decision when you come in to choose your drum online. It's very difficult. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.